Welcome class 9th. Now we'll continue exercise 10.4 example 2 and 3. See, I'm taking both examples as part A and part B. Okay, right students? I'm reading example. See, if two equal chords intersect within the circle, two equal chords, you are given two equal chords. Okay, let us write chord AB equal to chord CD and intersect at point P. Okay, now they are telling prove that the segments of one chord are equal to the corresponding segments of the other chord. So what are segments of AB, AP and PB? What are segments of CD, CP and PD? So to prove, see first part, to prove AP equal to CP and PB equal to PD, right? Now construct, draw OX perpendicular AB and OY perpendicular CD. Draw OX perpendicular AB and OY perpendicular CD. And you know, perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Therefore, we got now AX equal to XB and CY equal to YD. Because you know, you can write support perpendicular from center bisects chord. You can write this as support. You must write support, right? Now mark this number 1. Now see students, I am joining OP. Join OP. Okay, join OP. Now see, after joining OP, we get two triangles OXP and OYP. Now in triangle OXP and triangle OYP. Okay, right? Now see, here OX and OY, chord AB and CD are equal. Equal chords are at equidistant. Okay, yes or no? Means in these triangles OX equal to OY because equal chords are equidistant. OP is common and angle at X OXP and OYP equal to 90 degree. So which rule is clearly appearing? That is RHS. So write down, see, RHS. Right angle OXY, OXP equal to angle OYP equal to 90 degree. Yes or no? And hypotenuse OP equal to OP. And which sides are equal? OX equal to OY. Support you will give OX, OY equal chords are equidistant. Okay, you have to give support. Therefore, triangles are congruent. Clear? Therefore, triangle OXP congruent triangle OYP. By which rule? RHS rule of congruency. By which rule? By rule of RHS congruency. Now, if OXP congruent OYP implies that is XP equal to YP. Now see, we know AX equal to CY, half of equal chords, no? Now if I add XP and YP on both sides, this addition of equals on equals, see, so that AX plus XP equal to CY plus YP. Addition of equals into equals. Now this implies AX plus XP is what? AP equal to CY plus YP is what? CP. And first part is proved. Yes or no? Okay. Now see, AB equal to CD. If I subtract AP and CP from both sides, because equals are there, we can subtract equals from equals. Therefore, AB minus AP equal to CD minus CP. AB minus AP is how much? PB. And CD minus CP is how much? PD. This is second part over. Dear children, see the video properly, example 2 times, and try to solve yourself. Okay, see example 4 is very simple. Look here, 2 circles are concentric. Line A intersects both circles at A, B, C, D to show AB equal to CD. Now see students, I am drawing perpendicular from center to chord at say M. See, draw OM perpendicular AB or AD. This implies what? See, we got 2 chords BC and AD. Yes or no? I will write directly. Therefore, BM equal to MC and AM equal to MD. What will support? Perpendicular from center. Perpendicular from center bisects the chords. Yes or no? This is very important. From this, look here. If I subtract BM from AM and MC from MD, okay, now see, this implies that AM minus BM equal to MD minus MC by subtracting equals from equals. Yes or no? This is giving you AM minus BM is AB and MD minus CM is CD, and hence proved. Okay, you got it. Clear? Students, see these examples, please read properly and understand. These are equal. AM equal to MD equal because perpendicular from center bisects the chords. Subtract AM minus BM, MD minus MC, you got AB equal to CD, and hence proved. Clear? Now we will take example 5. See, example 5, students, please try to understand what is example. 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, standing on circle. Reshma, Salma, Mandeep. Distance between Reshma and Salma is 6 meter. Distance between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter. And the center of this circle is O with radius 5 meter. Clear? They are asking find distance between Reshma and Mandeep. So I have join RM. Okay. Now, see students, we wrote radius is 5 meter, RS equal to SM equal to 6 meter. Therefore, if we join RM, we get right this isosceles triangle RSM. So triangle RSM is isosceles triangle. Clear? And if RSM is isosceles triangle, and I draw perpendicular from S that bisects RM. Okay, perpendicular from S bisects RM at say point K. Let us give this point say K. Clear? Also, if SK perpendicular, and you know OK is also perpendicular. Got it? Because RK equal to KM. If chord is bisected, then OK perpendicular RM. ये ले जाओ बेटा, इसमें देखो ये पानी then we got RK equal to KM. Okay, and therefore if RK equal to KM implies OK is perpendicular RM. Clear? Now see, I got triangle ORS, so I can find area of triangle ORS. See, area of triangle ORS equal to half Base, what is base? OS. What is height? RK. Okay, OS is known to you, 5 meter. That is 5 upon 2 into RK. Number 1. Clear? Now again see, I am drawing perpendicular from O to RS. Draw. Say this point क्या दे इसको नाम, चलो L देते L. Okay. Draw O L perpendicular RS. Clear? Now see students, you know RS is chord, OL is perpendicular, therefore RL equal to LS. Yes or no? See, this implies that RL equal to LS. Why? Support RL equal to LS. Why? Support is what? Perpendicular from center, bisects the chords. Clear? Then see, RL equal to LS and RS is 6 meters. Therefore, this implies RL equal to LS equal to 3 meter. Okay, students, very important. Therefore, see, we got now. So, RL equal to LS equal to 3 meter. Clear, children? Now, this is very important, right? Now, see, we have calculated area ORS. Now, again, using this RL and LS, we are finding again in triangle ORL. RL is 3, OR is 5. Therefore, triangle ORL is right triangle. So, OL must be 4 by Pythagorean triplet. Yes or no? Now see, in triangle ORL, yes, OL perpendicular RS, RL. Therefore, see, pi square equal to 4 square plus OL square. Clear? So 25 minus 16 equal to OL square. OL equal to, yes, OL square equal to 9. So OL equal to so you got this now see student, look here, in triangle ORL, OR is 5, OL is don't know, ORL is 3. Clear? So RL is 3. Now see then, in triangle ORL, OL perpendicular RL. Therefore, pi square equal to 3 square plus R square. Therefore, 25 minus 9. So you got OL square equal to 16. And hence OL equal to 4 meter. Clear? Okay. OL is 4 meter. Now we are taking triangle ORS with height OL. Then see, therefore area triangle ORS. Again, half. What is base taken for OL? For OL, base is RS multiplied by OL. That is equal to half. RS is what? RS is also 6. And OL is what? 4. Cancel. That is equal to 12 square meter. Clear? That is area triangle ORS. Now we got this, see. And here we have calculated area ORS equal to 5 upon 2 RK. So see this from 1 and say this is from 2. So from 1 and 2 we got it. That is 5 upon 2 RK equal to 12. Cross multiplication. So RK equal to 24 upon 5. That is 4.8 meter. And RK equal to Km equal to, that is 4.8 meter. Therefore, Rm equal to 9.6 meter, because 2 times 4.8. Clear? Okay, Sinan. Therefore, distance between Reshma and Mandeep is 9.6 meter. Clear, students? Please see the example 5 2 times. Now we will take example 6. See, I am reading. Look here. Ankur, Said and David are sitting at equal distance on circular path of radius 20 meter. See, circular path of radius 20 meter. Say Ankur, S for Said and D for David, sitting at equal distance. Say distance is x, x, x. Okay. Now see, joint center O to S, O to A, because OA equal to OS equal to OD. Yes or no? See, then we are writing now. They are asking to find length of each string of the tiny telephone. They are having tiny telephone with them. So they are asking to find S equal to SD equal to AD. How much? Okay. Now see. Students, radius equal to 20 meter. Okay. AS equal to S. AD equal to SD. Say equal to X. Right. Now see. Triangle OASD is equilateral triangle. Clear? Equilateral triangle. Yes or no? Yes, children? Now, if this is equilateral triangle, then if we draw perpendicular from any vertex that bisects the opposite side. Yes or no? So, AD, if I take AB bisects SD. Clear? And if AB is perpendicular bisects SD and SD is chord, SD is chord. So say if we draw perpendicular from center to chord, that also bisects. That means any perpendicular from vertex passes through the center of the circle. So we can write, therefore, perpendicular from A bisects SD and passes through O. Clear? That is center O. Right? Now, see, we will take triangle ASB and triangle OSB. Now, I am taking in triangle ASB. See, A square equal to AB square plus SB square. Clear? AS is how triangle ASB, A square equal to AB square plus SB square. Clear? Now AS is what? X square. This is what? X square. And AB is what? AB equal to AB. Let us make it AB square. And SB x upon 2 square. Yes or no? Then see, A square equal to AB square plus AB square. I am writing this now, putting value. See, x square equal to AB square plus x upon 2 bracket square. That is equal to, so we got it, x square minus x raised to 2 upon 4. That is equal to AB square. Clear? Now just subtract this. You are getting 3x square upon 4. LCM 4 into 1, 4x square minus x square, 3x square upon 4 equal to AB square. Clear? So AB equal to under root 3 upon 2x. Clear? Please remember this. Okay. Now, see, OD. The diagram here it is OB. If you take OB, yes or no? Then OB equal to AB minus AO. Yes or no? Clear? Now you are knowing AB. AB is what? Root 3x upon 2. So you can find OB. Now therefore see. Therefore OB. OB equal to, that is AB minus AO. That is equal to root 3 upon 2x minus AO is how much? 20. Clear? Remember this. Very important, very important. This much calculated. Now make this number 1. Clear? Now see, OSB. Now, in triangle OSB, okay, see OS square equal to OB square plus SB square. Clear? Now again see, OS is what? 20 square equal to OB is how much? OB we know. Yes or no? OB is known to us, root 3 x upon 2 minus 20. So we are writing root 3 x upon 2 minus 20 bracket square plus SB is how much? SB is half of x, that is x upon 2 bracket square. Clear? Now please open this. You are getting 400 equal to root 3 x upon 2 minus 20 means a minus b bracket square. Root 3 x upon 2 square means 3x square upon 4 minus 20 root 3 x plus 400 plus x square upon 4. Did you understand? A square minus 2 times AB. So if we take 2 multiplied by root 3 x upon 2 will cancelled. So 20 plus b square 400. That is plus x square upon 4. Now see this 400 cancel. We are taking this minus 20 root 3x square upon 4 plus x square upon 4. How many that? 4x square upon 4. That is equal to 4x square upon 4 minus 20 root 3x. Clear? Okay. Now see, if you get cancelled, that is equal to 0. So now see, you got it. You got from here x 400 cancel. So you got this 0. Now see 4x square upon 4 minus 20 root 3x. Therefore I got x square equal to 20 root 3x. Again x cancel. So x equal to 20 root 3 meter. Clear? So length of each screen is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Please remember this. Got it? Yes. Now we will take theorem 10.8. Very easy and interesting. What is theorem 10.3? Now we will take next topic, angle subtended by an arc of circle. The theorem 10.8. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point in the remaining part of the circle. Angle subtended by arc at the center. See, arc BC, center O. This angle. Arc BC, center O. This angle. Arc BC, center O and this angle. So this arc can be minor, can be semi arc, or can be major arc. Clear? So we are writing given in circle with center O and radius R. Figure A, B, C, we give name. In figure B, A, BC is minor arc. In figure B, BC is semicircle. In figure C, BC is major arc. Clear? It should be written once only. No need to prove separately. Now see, angle BOC is an angle subtended by arc at center. See here, BOC at center. BOC, 180 degree straight angle at center. BOC, reflex angle. Clear? So we are adding once only, so that no need to prove separately for all three cases. Now an angle BAC, angle subtended by arc at any point on the circle in remaining part. BAC, angle subtended by this arc at any point in remaining part. Remaining part means this remaining part of the circle. Again BAC, this is major arc subtended by major arc at point A in remaining part. Clear? That is given to you. Now to prove. Now to prove. Angle BOC equal to 2 times angle BAC. angle subtended by arc at the center is double the angle subtended by arc at any point on remaining point of the circle. Clear? Now see children, just look at diagram. I am taking only one diagram, okay? That is very similar to all three. See this. Okay. A, B, C. Yes or no? This is 1, this is 2, 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. I drew the same diagram figure A. Okay. Now see angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I am taking triangle AB. Suppose this is your point D. I am taking triangle ABO. See, prove. In triangle ABO, 3 equal to 1 plus 2. What is property? X triangle property. Angle property. Got it? Angle 3 equal to angle 1 plus. Similarly, in triangle ACO, angle 4 equal to angle 5 plus angle 6. Yes or no? Right? And angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 5 equal to angle 6. Why? Both triangles ABO and ACO are isosceles triangles. AO equal to OB. Yes or no? AO equal to OB equal to OA, OC. Right? Therefore you can write. Therefore angle 3 equal to 2 times angle 1 and angle 4 equal to 2 times angle 5. Remember it. 1 plus 2 means 1 plus 1 because 1 equal to 2. So now if I add, this implies 3 plus angle 4 equal to 2 times angle 1 plus 2 times angle 5. So that angle 3 plus 4 is how much beta? Angle BOC. So angle BOC equal to 2 times common angle 1 plus angle 5. And 1 plus 5 is how much? BAC. That is why angle BOC equal to 2 times angle BAC. Is it clear? Now theorem is proved here. Okay. And therefore you can say angle subtended by arc at center is 2 times the angle subtended by arc at any point in remaining part of circle. It's proved. Clear? Now students look here. If I go to semicircle, in semicircle or semi-arc, yes or no? Angle BOC equal to 180 degree. This implies angle BAC equal to 90 degree. This implies angle BAC equal to 90 degree. Clear? Then from this we understood semicircle subtends semicircle subtends 90 degree angle at any point on the circle. Also you will see BOC is diameter. Clear? Then from this what we learnt? This implies diameter subtends right angle at any point on the circle. Please write down this property, very important. You got now diameter subtends right angle at any point on the circle. Clear? Children watch video 2 times and understand. Okay, any problem you can ask. See you.